Hey everyone, SEMO-MAC here again. Got another product review for you. Was running around like I normally do, and yes, I picked up another tool from Harbor Freight. I'm starting to picture a theme here. I don't know if y'all picked up on this or not, but when I said that I'm going to the Bauer line from Harbor Freight because I can get pretty much anything that I want at a really good price. Well, yeah, that's the way it is. So yeah, let's just get into it, because I know my wife's thinking I'm spending way too much money, but hey, you know, the stuff I buy, I use it to build stuff for her. So hey, she loves me, I love her, you know, we're good together. So, but anyway, here we go. Bauer circular saw. This is the 6.5 inch. Guys, I got this on clearance. So, just last week when Harbor Freight was doing the whole 15% off of one item and 30% off of anything under $10, I got to use it 4 times because I am an ITC member. So I got to go on Thursday. So I bought something on Thursday. Then I bought something on Friday. Then I bought something on Saturday. And then I bought something on Sunday. So yeah, that's why y'all are getting all of these product reviews, because doing these little tabletops, and because I bought something every day I was there. So let's get this thing opened up and let's take a look at it. Oh, and just to let y'all know, this is the first time I've actually looked at this, because I've been working a lot and I haven't had a lot of time to break all this stuff out and see what it all is. So here we go. What else we got in here? That's pretty cool. All right, so let's slide this over here. Get that out of your way. Throw that in there. There we go. That's actually pretty sweet. So it looks like what you get, number one, the saw. That's the most important. You get paperwork, and believe it or not, I actually do read the manuals. Yeah, I can't believe I do that, but honestly I do, and believe it or not, you actually learn quite a bit when you actually read the manual. But hey, I have it, so I'll be reading it later. Looks like we have a adapter to go on here, so you can put a dust hose on here, which is pretty nifty. And not sure where that goes, but I'm sure I'm going to figure it out. But you also get that as well. Just kind of looking at it, trying to think where it might actually go. Not for sure, but I'm sure the manual will actually tell me where it goes. Imagine that. And then you also got your guide. So, not a lot to it. Set that there. Set that there. And let's take a look at this thing. Looks like I said, 6.5 inch blade. This does not come with the blade, just so everybody knows. This does not come with batteries. This is tool only. And they had this on sale, and if I'm not mistaken, these are not the brushless. These are brushed. I'm reading here on the box just to make sure, but yes, I believe it is the brushed. And it looks like it is. I'm okay with that. Like I said, it's not like I'm doing these in industrial use. This is stuff for the DIY person. I mean, it's something that you just do at home. I don't need anything fancy, but you know, everything that I've had from Bauer so far, I've liked. I've not had any problems with. As you see, I have not been able to test this one yet because we just opened it up. But I did go ahead and purchase the 6.5-inch wood blade from Bauer that they carried in the store. It was under the $10 mark, therefore I got 30% off of it as well. So that put it for the blade for like $6.99, something like that. So it was like $7. So which was good. So I got the whole complete set there. Looks like grip, not bad. You got your, where you have to actually, push your button in here to actually pull the trigger, kind of like a little safety, which is good. You're able to set your depth, pitch, all back here on the very back side. This is your guard. You can do your different angle cuts right here, where you can actually tilt it at a 30 degree, 45 degree, anything like that. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty nice. That is, oh, that's a releaser. That is to drop. There we go. So that is right here. You can set that up and then put it where you want it, which is really, really nice. Looks like you got your Allen head wrench that comes with it as well, and that is to change out your blade right here. Your Allen, just in case if you didn't see it, they've got it tucked away right here. You can pull it straight out. So never should lose your tool for this, but if you do, make sure you have backups. Harbor Freight, it is, and it's the Pittsburgh line. I went their cheap route, but hey, lifetime guarantee, can't beat it. So, you know what? Let's grab a battery. Let's see what this thing does. Sweet. It's even got a little light on there, as you see it. All right. You know what? I'm just really, really curious. And in one of my previous videos, got the adapter, run it on the Milwaukee 5 amp hour. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna fit. So, note to self, you won't be able to run this 5 amp hour on this right here. You probably can if we drop it down. Let's just see. Okay, works there too. Just don't think I'm gonna do that, because I don't really do that much cutting like that, so don't do a lot of ripping. Let's put that back down, lock it in place, and should be good. Right there. All right. Put that back over here. So, little product review, give you a little bit on this. This does have a 5/8 auger. It's showing that the blade speed's running right at about 4,000 RPM. Your max deep cut that you can go to is 2 1/8 inch. Because like I said, this is just a 6.5 inch blade. The depth of a 45 degree cut is really at about 1 3/8 inch. Looks like the bevel that you can do as far as the capacity on that, it just goes up to the 45 degrees. It's showing that it's weighing about 5.5 pounds. Okay. To me, it's light. It's very light. So what you actually get, like you just saw here, but it tells you here on the box that, you know, what you get. This does not have the charger or the battery, anything. You got to buy the blade, but you do get the saw, like I said, dust port, your wrench, and your guide. So, see if there's anything else on here that they are talking about. Oh, well, that's nifty. Okay, so it looks like, from what I just saw in the picture without reading the manual, because us guys, that's what we do. We don't read the manuals. We look at the picture. It actually goes on right here, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, right there you go. So, it just clips on right there, and there is your dust port. So you can hook up like a little shop vac hose to that while you're doing it, and I'm sure that probably fits in there a little bit better next time. Yeah, there we go. Got it down. It didn't click. But anyway, yeah. So that's what we got here, guys. I think it's gonna work out good. I will get some more footage of me actually using this to actually give a little bit better review. But right now, like I said, this is just an unboxing of it, letting you know what we got and what I paid for it. I think this normally, I don't know, around 30, 40 bucks, something like that. But like I said, I actually got it on clearance for 26. So say 27 bucks. This is like 26.99 because they are clearancing out a lot of their brushed tools for Bauer, and they're going to the brushless. So mainly the new ones you're buying now are brushless. But hey, I'm good with it. I got it on sale. Plus I got 15% off of it. I think it came to like 21 bucks. So I'm good with that. I'm okay. So, but hey, if you have stuck with me this long, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? I mean, granted, I'm not the best in the world. I do look pretty good, though. You have to admit that. I've kind of got that, you know, Grizzly Adam redneck thing going on. But hey, some people like that. My wife likes that. And that's all that matters. But anyway, subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that little bell. And leave comments, guys. I love hearing comments from everybody. I mean, if you got questions, I'll try to answer them. If I can't answer them, I'll try to find out. And if I can't answer them, I'll just flat out tell you, I don't know. But I'll try to find the answer for you. That's just the way I am. I've always been like that. But anyway, as always, be kind and just have fun with life. Enjoy it. And I'll check y'all on my next video that probably will be coming out pretty soon. I'm sure I've got more to show. So, as always, SEMO-MAC out, and y'all have a great day.